Howdy y'all, it's Tex here. I will be attempting a through hike of the Appalachian Trail starting in early to mid-March of 2021. I'll be starting in Georgia and heading northbound. And in today's video, I would like to review with you guys what I'll be using for my bathroom items and hygiene items. So let's take a look. Bathroom kit time. First up is my female urinary device. This is called the pStyle, and this fabulous contraption allows women to urinate while standing up because no one wants to be down with their drawers when it's cold or when people come up behind them on the trail. I did have a little custom bag made for that sits on my hip belt from my pack so that it's easily accessible. Number 2, the Deuce. This is a little ultralight trowel. And me personally, I carry this since it gets dirty within a little Ziploc bag. Toilet paper, of course. Now they say that on the AT at least, you can technically bury your toilet paper. I choose to not do that because one campsite I was at had an entire hillside of toilet paper that was being unearthed. Not very pleasant to look at. And so what I do is just carry out the toilet paper. I carry a little Ziploc bag to put my used toilet paper in. This I'll throw away. And then I carry a little dog do bag to put that Ziploc bag in so no one has to look at the used toilet paper in the meantime. I also keep in my bag a little rescue whistle. Maybe not necessary, I just like to have it in case, makes me feel better. What if I go off trail to dig a cat hole and use the bathroom and I can't find my way back to the trail? So I have this to call for a rescue, should I need it. And all of these items I keep in a large gallon Ziploc bag. I keep this near the top of my pack, easily accessible, just for emergency purposes. One thing I added last year was a little string, and that's because if I take this into a privy, I personally don't want to set it on the privy bathroom floor. Ew, gross. So this, you can just hang over your neck and be hands-free. Now this year with the virus, at the moment anyway, I think all, or at least most of the privies are going to be closed. So get ready to dig a cat hole every single day. It's going to be fun. Watch out for that poison ivy. Now for my hygiene kit, I may carry a little bit more than some people. I tried to start out last year with just the minimal amount necessary, but I did have to add a couple items as needed, so here we go. First up, toothbrush, little travel size, and travel size toothpaste. I like to carry wipes. I prefer these Neutrogena brand, which you can pick up at any Dollar General or any CVS, any store that you go to. They seem to be everywhere. I can use this then on my face and all over the body. I use one each night, and they come in small packs of 7, so I prefer to carry 2 packs, and once I get down to 1, replace so I don't run out. I carry a very lightweight comb. Now these are 2 items that I didn't start out with, but my face and hands needed this. First up, I carry 1 small bottle of face lotion. When I get to town after taking a shower, my face just felt very dry and craved my face lotion from home, so I'm gonna carry it. And then I started out in the wintertime in late February last year, and my fingertips ended up cracking. No lotion would fix it. I tried super gluing the cracks, didn't work. So I went ahead and I'll be carrying what I use at home each day, and this is the O'Keeffe's Working Hands. I love this stuff. And I'll be just taking a small little container. This does seem to get a little melty and leaky, so I'll be carrying that in a small snack size Ziploc bag. I'll be taking a disposable razor, a couple of extra hair ties, and I carry some floss, which I'll use when I get to town. I also, when I go to the store for my resupply, like to pick up just a little travel size of mouthwash, so I can use that when I'm in town each time also. All of these items I carry in my pack. Now there are a couple more hygiene items which I carry in my hip belt pocket to use during the day. And these are first some sunscreen. Chapstick with SPF 35, again the O'Keeffe's brand. I love this stuff. It's the longest lasting that I have found. A small container of chafing cream, hand sanitizer, extremely important. And another thing that I added last year is just a travel size of Aquaphor. The sides of my nose got very dry in the wintertime because I kept wiping it, of course. So carry this for a little while. All of these daytime items I'll throw into a little quart-sized gallon Ziploc bag, and I will throw that into my larger gallon-size bag with the rest of my items each night, and I will include this in my bear bag since the majority of these items are smellable. Well, there you have it. Thank you again for joining me. Hope this was helpful for anybody who is planning a future hike or possibly even a thru hike of their own. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.